Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to insert video in your PowerPoint presentation. If you find this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. Okay, so let's dive in. Now, first of all, open PowerPoint on your computer. Click on top left side on Insert. Now go over here on the right side and click on Video. Now you can choose any video from your local device or you can choose videos from online. For example, just click on it, online videos, and copy the URL of YouTube video and paste it over here. Just click on insert. Okay, it will take a few moments. Now, as you can see, the video has been added to the PowerPoint like this. As you can see, now if you want to add video from your local device, just go on insert again and click on video and click on this device. Now select whatever video you want to add from here. I'm going with this one. You can see the video has been added to the PowerPoint. So that's it for the video. That's how you can add video to your PowerPoint presentation. Thanks for watching.